Attention stargazers, we have a meteor shower that will be peaking tonight. The annual LEONID meteor shower will be ongoing tonight and probably for the next couple of nights. The sky will be clear all night long. The moon's going to set this evening. There could be 10 to 15 out there per hour later on, especially after midnight into the wee hours of the night. But it will be cool out there, so plan accordingly. Now look at this monster. This is Hurricane Iota, a Cat 5 storm. Sustained wind at 160, moving into Central America later tonight. Look at this. Now, this is going to just wreak havoc on the same areas that got Hurricane Eta a couple of weeks ago. Look at the same track. The yellow line is Eta, the red is Iota, basically over the same place, Nicaragua, Honduras. Just a horrible situation down there. And this is the 2020 hurricane season, starting back in May, going all the way through the summer, through November. Look at all those little lines. 30 named storms so far this year. Let's just hope we're done with the storms in our neck of the woods, but it has been a record-setting year across the Atlantic. Looking ahead for us, sunshine, seasonable temperatures, perhaps a little bit of rain by late Sunday or Monday. It could be a little bit more active next week with perhaps a couple of disturbances, maybe a couple of cold fronts. We always have to watch things this time of year, but right now we are all quiet in Vernon at Durham's Pharmacy, Louisville, Mississippi, Columbus, and Tupelo. Temperatures in the 50s and low 60s at this hour. Down into the mid-30s for tonight. The wind will remain calm for you in Starkville tomorrow. We start out in the upper 30s at 7 o'clock, mid-60s in the afternoon, basically a carbon copy of what we just had today. So 65 in Columbus and West Point, 67 in Macon, perhaps a little bit warmer for you. Tupelo 64, 62 New Albany, 63 in Bruce. The wind will be from the north and northwest at about 10 to 15, so a bit of a breeze, a bit of a chill to the air. But once that sun comes up, it is going to be very nice. And notice how we don't have any clouds in the forecast for Tuesday or Wednesday or Thursday. We could roll this into Friday too. Basically sunny for the rest of the work week. Here's your AccuWeather 70 forecast. And temperatures will be warming up as we get into your weekend. Lower 70s to mid 70s will return. There will be a few more clouds as well. Now, Sunday night and the Monday, maybe a little bit of rain. Until then, we're pretty dry. Chilly overnights in the near term, but we're warming back up later this week as well into the 40s and 50s.